What's up, guys? We're here at Ironman round 3. Got the red plate, as you can see, on the Honda. Feels good to have the red plate here at Ironman. I've done super well over the years. I think the past 3 years I've won here, so it's definitely helps me out looking at that bike, seeing them red plates on there for this weekend. It's one of my favorite tracks, and I'm super hyped. The track looks awesome. They did some major track changes. We still got Godzilla. We don't have the big triple. We do have another big hit, though. I think you'll be pretty pumped to see Rip It Up throwing some vids out there, some big whips. Hoping for a good weekend, get on that box, hopefully in the center of it, and maintain this points lead again.
Coming off the win in Texas, super pumped on that. Never had good luck in Texas, and now we're here in Ironman. I've had some good luck here. I just want to keep this momentum going. You know, we're 3 points out of the lead. Never had good finishes this early in the season. I'm super excited about it, and let's see how the day goes.
The shadows of yesterday forever haunt me. The shadows of yesterday forever haunting me. I spiral downward. I can feel down. I spiral downward. I can feel it pulling me down.
You know, we had a really good points day. We went from third to first with a 10-point gap, and I couldn't be happier with our performance this weekend and my team, everybody behind me. And we got 2 weeks till our next round, so we're gonna push hard and try to continue this good streak that we're on, and keep pushing forward and try to extend our points lead.
This feels good to be up here in second and get good points and keep plugging away and go to south of the border next round and try to put a dent in Chad's points gap that he just created. But yeah, it was a really good day. Sitting third in points, 2 behind second. So we'll go to south of the border, which I was really strong at last year, and just go from there.
It was definitely muddy in Moto 2, so it was, had a fight to the finish, and it was definitely a tough race. We'll try to keep this momentum rolling, keep the podiums going, and see if we can close in this point gap on Weena now. Going into south of the border has not been my best of races last year, but see if we can turn that around this year and put in a good result.